Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 2003 Guards Red 911 Porsche Carrera Coupe. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle in tremendous condition. Before we get too deep into this 911 Porsche, just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars, and the other 20% are European luxury exotic vehicles. As you can kind of see, some of the vehicles we have in inventory. Not going to go through all the vehicles. If you are interested in anything you see in the video or this 2003 Guards Red Porsche, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you have any financing needs, we can take care of those as well, as we do have a lot of classic car finance partners, along with some financial partners that will do late models as well. So please give us a call or visit the website. If you're not in Florida and you have an interest in this 911 Porsche, do not hesitate, or any other vehicle we have in inventory, to give us a call, as we do ship anywhere in the US, along with anywhere worldwide. Last year we shipped to 8 different countries around the world and 19 different US states, so we can certainly ship your vehicle anywhere you need, so we can take care of your finances, financial needs, and or transportation needs if you have them, to get your dream car to you. But back to this beautiful Guards Red Porsche Carrera. It does have the turbo look with the rear wing and the arrow on the lower side of the vehicle. You see the big red calipers, big disc brakes. It does have aftermarket wheels that look very nice, chrome wheels on this car. The paint is in excellent condition. Just over 39,000 miles on this 3.6 liter 6-speed manual Porsche. Again, you have to have the manual if you want to enjoy an older Porsche. Just an absolute stunning vehicle here. It does have a clean Carfax. Paint is in excellent condition. If I'm going too fast with the camera, or it is too dark, as you can see the interior, black leather, please visit the website. We do have additional pictures, almost 75 to 100 pictures of the vehicle on the website. So you'll be able to see all angles of the vehicle. Go ahead and open the engine compartment and the bonnet just to show you quickly. Beautiful Porsche badge. Does come equipped with a spare tire. Again, very clean vehicle. Does have the VIN up here, again difficult to see, but it is there, along with being on the dash. Flip the back, show you the engine compartment. Again, extremely clean, very well maintained Porsche. Go ahead and get it fired up as well, just so you see everything is cold. We have the keys here. had accent inside, which was a option. Sunroof, sorry you can't see in the dark here. As I mentioned, just over 39,300. Go ahead and start it up. Starts right up. You see no seatbelt, obviously we just got in, and then emergency brake is on, as you can see here. Take that off and brake goes off. AC's blowing nice and cold. 6-speed manual. Does that power windows, memory seats, power driver's seat. Just a beautiful vehicle. Red gauges. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Again, we have this 2003 Porsche 911 Carrera. Does have the turbo look and curb appeal. Paint in excellent condition, just over 39,000 miles on this 3.6 liter 6-speed manual Porsche. Again, if you have any questions on this vehicle or anything else we have in inventory, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. And we appreciate you joining in, and please follow us. Thank you.